the last week before the gold and the glimmer have been replaced. Another sun-soaked season fades away. You have stolen my heart. You have stolen.
Because the lights. Shut up, Kayla. No, but we were playing with Gumby, and we didn't take him in the bathroom. But that's not the reason I come over here so much. Yeah, Brennan. Yeah, Brennan. We did. No, I'm just kidding. I bet you come over for apple pie. That's why Brennan comes over. Yeah. So he can stuff his face with apple pie. Or chocolate cake. Actually, we've never had chocolate cake. Yeah, we did. Sarah made it. Oh, yeah? Was that good? Yeah. Really, really? Really.
Well, she was precious like a flower.
Earlier, Rachel was laughing like she was dying.
A perfect prayer in a desperate hour. She was everything beautiful and different. Stupid boy, you can't fence that in, stupid boy.
That sucks balls. What? That sucks balls.
It's like holding back the wind. She laid her heart and soul right in your hands, and you stole her every dream and you crushed her plans.
Guess what, Brennan? You want to see my pillow? Haha, you can't.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you...
Don't listen to Kayla. She hasn't got much sleep lately. She's not used to having a sleepover. Keto. Yeah, she's going totally psycho.
Sleeping while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender.
Do a dance and he can't see it. Oh yeah, let's do it. Alright. Do the dance. Woo! What if he can see this? That would totally suck. Kayla, dance.
I've got a hunger, twisting my stomach into knots that my tongue is tied off. My brain's repeating, if you've got an impulse, let it out. But they never make it past my mouth. Ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, 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 this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba. So little time. Try to understand that I'm trying to make a move just to stay in the game. I tried to stay awake and remember my name, but everybody's changing and I don't feel the same.
Bill Clinton.
Yeah, Bill
Sorry, it's like almost 4 in the morning, so
3 minutes to 4.
and Bill Clinton is on my mind.